Today we are going to talk about how to fix the muddiness and vocal unbalancing. As you can see here, this dynamic, it makes vocal not sitting in the mix. How to truly fix these problems. I am going to talk about two tools that are essential here and I really like them here. Yes, I have used a couple of plugins, but Vola 2 and Summit Audio EQF 100 is what I'm going to talk about. First of all, let's check this vocal without these plugins and with these plugins. So let's start from here.
Hey, Carrie Ann, as the wind blows. You woke up this morning. Hey, Carrie Ann, as the wind blows. You woke up this morning as the rain came.
So let's check the changes.
You woke up this morning.
Actually, as you can see, we have peaks on the loudest parts.
Work it out.
That are pretty high, but with these plugins, we have a more balanced and more fixed dynamic here.
Work it out. Hey, Carrie Ann, as the wind blows.
And of course, I have used de-essing, limiting, and tuning, and compressing. Of course, compressing. TLA 100A is here as compressor. And as you can see, the settings are as follows. So, Vola 2 is doing some real-time gain manipulating, macro and micro, both of them. So when it needs to, let's say in this part,
Morning as the rain came in.
It needs to boost that part because that part is so weak and so going down. So it boosts that area as much as we need, not an extreme boost.
Morning.
And you can always customize what you want, but this is what I wanted.
Morning as the rain came in.
As you can see, pay attention here. Let me play this phrase.
You woke up this morning as the rain came in.
See this boost? This boost helps keeping vocal constant and not boring.
Hey, Carrie Ann, as the wind blows. You woke up this morning as the rain came in.
See, rain is boosted here. So this plugin helps me stay in a certain loudness, in a certain power energy of the vocal. Let's not say loudness, let's say gain. And this plugin here, this is what, let's say, has done 80%, 90% of the job. Because this video is about fixing vocal, fixing the muddiness, and me showing you a trick about the mixing. That's the video is what about. And the EQ, let's test it. Bypass and activate. Demonstrate how it works.
Hey, Carrie Ann, as the wind blows. You woke up this morning as the rain came in.
Okay, with this EQ.
Hey, Carrie Ann, as the wind blows. You woke up this morning as the rain came in.
See? So what I have done here is I cut pretty much a lot of boominess and boxiness and I did some boosting on 1.2K if I'm reading right from this distance, and another cut around 1K to control that extreme harsh sound. And this is what I get, and I have done a high pass here. This is important. High pass and low pass in this plugin sounds amazing, and each and every knob and each and every frequency band has its own characteristic and its own personality. So this is why I think this should be a tool, a must-have tool for each and every pro studio around the globe. So this vocal is compatible with 99% of the audio players, music players, headphones, small and cheap ones or big and expensive ones, hi-fi players, and hi-fi speakers and systems. This vocal would be recognized, and you can easily hear the lyric, and you would easily understand what it sings, how it sings, and the vocal's position with these settings. Of course, I will do some changes like controlling sibilance smarter, more, and doing some other stuff here, but these two did their job really good. This is why I didn't turn off these three plugins, because these two sound good in combination with this compressor, this DSR, and this limiter. If I turn off these three, maybe gain stage just gets destroyed and some other stuff, but you get the idea, because I bypassed these two, and I will do again and activate these two again, and you will hear how they change the vocal.
Hey, Carrie Ann, as the wind blows. Hey, Carrie Ann, as the wind blows. Hey, Carrie Ann, as the wind blows. Hey, Carrie Ann, as the wind blows.
Nice. I just need to do some more controlling on higher frequencies to keep it from being harsh. It actually will need a digital equalizer to keep it from being harsh and keep it bright at the same time and energized, excited. So that's it. I hope you find it useful. You better find it useful. It was for you. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and follow for more.